everyone. I'm Johan, and I'm excited to present the automation and visualization project for the assurance of learning process. In this presentation, I will demonstrate how I streamline the manual workflow using VBA in Excel and how I visualize the aggregate data using Power BI. Let's start with the process improvement in Excel. The first step was to automate the generation of individual AOL reports. As you can see here, I have added a button. When I click the button, the VBA code runs. So this is my VBA code. Okay, the VBA code runs. It reads the unit list and automatically create a separate Excel field for each course. And okay, come. This eliminates the manual copying and pasting previously required in the Word template. So let's see. This is what we get before. Right now. Then I will demonstrate the second automation feature in Excel. After the large converters fill out their reports, we need to aggregate the data. In the master list field, I have added another button labeled import data. When executed, this macro scans the select folder, extracts the data from all the individual reports, and compiles it into the single master list. This is the data source we will use Power BI. So show you again. This is the another VBA code. Run this one. Let me run this one. Okay, we can get all AOL data imported successfully, which is these things we have right now. So let us move to the Power BI dashboard. I have loaded the data from the master list to create this integrated report. The core of the dashboard is the visualization of student performance trends across different years, course level, and location. Let me demonstrate the interactively. On the right side, we have these things. First, I can filter by year and major. So choose year, and we can choose this major. And for example, I can select that the 2025 and the cost level. Okay, we can get this. So this allowing us to drill down into specific undergraduate or postgraduate programs. Looking at the main chart, we can see the trend of data by study period. More importantly, this dashboard highlights the outliers as per the requirements. The benchmark is 65% for meet and exceed performance. Here, you can clearly see which courses are below this threshold, allowing the management to take immediate action. So now I'd like to talk with you through our proposed workflow optimization. First, let's look at the current situation. Represented by the top part of this diagram. Currently, the process is highly manual. It starts with the unit governor, who submits a word report. Then the admin staff has to manually copy and paste data from the report. Finally, this results in a static PDF or Word report generated by the system. Now, let's look at the new process. Shown in the bottom half, this is where the automation happens. Instead of Word, the unit governor simply fills out a standard Excel template. Then the admin staff just need to import 3 fields into our master list and run a VBA macro. Here is the key benefit. Once the macro runs, the system automatically processes the data. It instantly updates the detailed list and batch generates individual AOL reports for every unit. This replaces all the manual copy pasting, so it's where many inefficient. Finally, our Power BI system automatically imports this updated data. This transforms our reporting from static documents into an interactive dashboard. We can now see real-time analysis and trade instantly without any extra manual work.